Aloha! Welcome to KTA's Cooking on Recipes. I'm Chef Ryan Covert, and today we're going to make grilled charred cabbage with a ginger-scallion dressing. Preheat your grill on medium-high heat. Drizzle the cabbage wedges with olive oil and season with salt and pepper. Place onto the grill and close the lid. Cook until the cabbage is lightly charred and softened, flipping halfway about 4 to 5 minutes per side. In a sauce pot, add oil and heat until smoking hot. Add ginger, garlic, chili, green onions, and cook for 30 seconds. Remove from heat and add fish sauce, lime juice, cilantro, set aside. Once the cabbage is charred and tender, transfer to a serving platter. Add dressing to each piece of cabbage. Season with salt and pepper if needed. Enjoy as a side dish or a light lunch. For this recipe and more, visit ktasuperstores.com/recipes.